Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. My name's Royce and today we're unboxing Apple's HomePod. So let's do it. So let's do this nice little delicate strip they have at the top. Come on down. Put it down. The worst unboxer of all time. Okay, let's do this. Just like that. Here it is, Apple's HomePod. This is the white version and let's keep going. Just take it off. I love how it just falls off like that. It's beautiful. Beautiful packaging. Oh no! Just a little note. There's, as you lift, you know, there's a little, it's not what you would think. So it fell, but here it is. Hopefully it's not broken. Okay, all right. All seems good, hopefully. Oh man, that sucked. Careful guys when you open this. Then yeah, I'm probably the only one that's gonna have that problem. All right, here it is. The HomePod. It's white, it's still pretty, it's still beautiful. You're okay. Hopefully, when we plug this in, it'll turn on, but well, hold on, let's see what else we got. And, whoop, some stickers going on. HomePod, okay. Here's a little fold-out manual. Gives you some instructions. And what is this? And a bunch of flippity-flop. Cool. All right, let's plug it in. All right, let's do a little swirl at the top. A little Siri swirl. Nice. Cool, now we got the HomePod setup screen on our phone, so let's follow the instructions. Liking these sounds. I guess that's a good thing. I guess that it means the drop didn't break it.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Oh, now?
Let's try it.
Oh.
Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play Firefly by Paige Bryan.
Here's Firefly by Paige Bryan.
Hey Siri, turn the volume up. So there's two ways of activating the HomePod. You can either do, "Hey Siri," and it'll light up like that, or you can press down and hold on the top. What's the weather like today?
It's currently clear and 78 degrees in Los Angeles.
And when playing music, you can see there's two controls, the volume up, the volume down. So you can control the volume like that. Or you can say, "Hey Siri, turn the volume up 60%. Hey Siri, pause the song." You can also tap on it to play. Or to stop. You can also say, "Hey Siri, play next song." You can also do that by double tapping. Or triple tap to go back. Or, "Hey Siri, play previous song." Hey Siri, play a song from Spotify.
I can't play from Spotify.
So yeah, so that's one of the big things about the HomePod is that you cannot play music from Spotify or any other music subscription service. HomePod only works with Apple Music and it only works if you have an iOS device. Now, of course, you can always play Spotify from the HomePod if you AirPlay it from your phone to the HomePod, but part of the fun is being able to control it with your voice. So yeah, I mean, it's still possible, but just not as cool. Hey Siri, what's my schedule like?
I can't access your calendar here. Sorry about that.
That also sucks. So one of the big negatives about the HomePod is that anybody with the voice can access your text messages and they can send and receive them without you even knowing. So we're gonna test that. So you already heard my voice. So here's another voice.
Hey Siri, read my new messages.
You have a new message from Bianca. Now I can read your text messages. Muahaha. Want to reply?
No.
Okay.
So yeah, that sucks. So you better hope your girl loyal if you buying a HomePod, Joe.
You mean your man?
Point is, being loyal is very important while owning a HomePod. Right, Siri?
Uh-huh.
Yep, see? Siri agrees. And this brings up an important issue, is that you can only hook up one iCloud account or phone to a HomePod. So if you want multiple users, you're out of luck, at least for now. So the HomePod is $350. And is the sound quality really worth it to pay that much for this? Don't really know. Can't tell you until I test it out more. But even if the sound quality is really great, $350 still is a lot. So if you're not really trying to get the best sound possible out of a speaker and you really are more into the actual controls and what a smart speaker is supposed to do, then the HomePod is definitely not for you. I would go with Alexa or Google Home, because they're way more suited for that. But if you are looking for a speaker that has really great quality, supposedly this is it. And if the added bonus is that it has a couple smart features where you can control your lights and all that stuff, and you have an iPhone, then the HomePod might be the thing for you. And that's it for my quick HomePod unboxing video / somewhat drop test. But yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I will do a full review on this to really see what it can do, see if it's worth it, so you guys can figure out whether you really want it, need it, all that stuff. I mean, no one really needs this stuff, so, you know, if you want it. But yeah, again, my name's Royce. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you sometime later in another video.